Hi guys, so today I have a polish review for you. As you can see by the front here, it is from Bornprettystore. They sent me this for a review, so there's also a 10% off code down below if you do fancy anything on the website at all. Now as you can see, this is a super holographic polish. Just look at the colours coming through there. Now the bottle size is 6ml. There's different colour options available. Mine is number 4. So I'm just going to try it out on a swatch stick and we'll see how it looks. So with just one coat there is some really good coverage. I would say it's only slightly see-through, so you could definitely get away with one if you just wanted to apply a quick coat. I am going to apply a second just to see if it makes it fully opaque. So that's me applied a second coat. I've not even done a top coat yet, and you can see just how holographic that is. It's absolutely stunning. So yeah, that is the holographic polish from Bornprettystore. Check out the link below, you can see all the other colour options that are available. I really like it, the coverage is good, the holographic pigment is really strong in it, and it's a fantastic product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.